Look, it's Eric in the Mexican truck playing this Mexican music. What do you think about that?
It's so screwed up. Actually.
I'm so racist.
That's not nice, actually. Eric's gonna kill you when he hears you.
I'm like so racist. Look what you did to your Mexican truck! How could you? I'm gonna choke. Don't stop being mean to it.
Oh no, wait, I messed up. That's not how you're supposed to go in.
Stop being mean to your Mexican truck. It has feelings.
It has foreign feelings.
Yeah, it has foreign feelings too. It has feelings that...
It's retarded.
It has feelings that you don't know what the hell you're feeling. It's just, what kind of feeling is this? I've never had this feeling before. It must be foreign. Mexican trucks are so slow. Oh my god! The truck should have ran him over. Oh my god!
Where did that come from?
Oh my god! Oh, poor Eric! Look, he laser dead!
That came out of nowhere.
I don't even know who the hell it is. It's not Eric. Ah! Oh, you don't even have the cheat code on. Poor Eric. Poor Mexican.